Hi crafty friends, my name is Michelle Zarell. Today we are going to put together the Groovy Matchbox because I am feeling groovy. So the Matchbox has a lot of fun little elements. It opens and closes like a matchbox, and you can store your 3x4-inch cards, or you can use it as a sweet little gift box. The frame on the front is also included with your download, as are the little colorful swooshes, so that you can use this piece for other designs that you might have in your crafty little world. You might want to use it for scrapbooking or card making or anything that you can think of. So let's put this groovy little box together. Let's start by making the insert. The insert consists of these 3 pieces, and it is super easy. We are going to go ahead and add a little glue to the tabs and just kind of get the glue out to the edge there and hold it for a second. And we're going to do that all the way around. You'll notice in this file, or excuse me, in this one, I am using the dash score lines. Your Etsy download also includes a file that has the solid score lines, depending on what you prefer. Okay, we're going to do it for this side as well. This is all pretty straightforward. This box was designed to hold those 3x4 journaling cards and cut apart cards that you get in your collection kits when you order a collection of pattern paper from any company really, Cartabella, Echo Park, American Crafts, they all have those on there. All right, so there's our insert. Now we're going to cover the tabs here. I'm going to use this one with the hole. This will make your box, when you're pushing it in and out, it'll make it a little sturdier. Okay, it fits better one way than the other. So as you can see here, I'm just putting it down in there tight, and then I'm going to let that dry so that way when we're pulling on the box, you know, it doesn't rip or bend. All right, now while that's drying and curing, I'm going to go ahead and do the outer piece for the Matchbox box. And to do that, we're just going to take these 2 pieces here, and we are going to put them side by side, line them up nicely, and make sure it's secure. Okay, there we go, there we go. Oh, that would have been cute too. All right, and then we're going to close it up, we're going to fold that glue tab inward and add some more glue there. And there you go. All right. Perfect. Okay, so let's go back to here a little bit. It's set there for just a second. I have a piece of waxed thread, but you can use thread, twine, yarn, string, just about anything you want. And I'm going to take those and insert them through the hole through the front. Make a couple knots here. I probably should have let myself have a little bit longer to go. Okay. There we are. Okay, that's going to be nice and secure. That wasn't too difficult. I'm going to trim that a little bit. There we go. All right. So now this will slide in and out easily. There we are. Okay, let's add the frame to the front. That's really going to make this box adorable. Okay, let's put together the little frame. As you can see, there's 3 little swooshes here, and the one in the middle is a little more rounded. That's going to go down in the corner. So, whoops, that's going to kind of set the tone for the other 2. So let's go ahead, line that up by putting it right smack in the corner, and then pulling this one up. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to add this top one to the top. Not so hard. Once you get that center one down, you're golden. Okay, we're going to put these in side by side. And it'll run right up to the side there. Okay. And then our last piece at the bottom. This little frame, I wanted to get a lot of use out of this frame. So it can be used with a picture underneath if you're a scrapbooker or a card maker, or it can be left as is. Give it kind of that groovy vibe. Okay. I am a child of the 60s, so I feel completely qualified to say, yes, it's groovy. Let's go ahead and add the little piece underneath. Okay, so we can go ahead and just add that. How cool is that? All right, now we're going to go back to our little box, our Groovy Matchbox, and we can put that smack on the front. You can lift it up a little bit with some pop dots or dimensional foam adhesive, I guess, and I'm going to do that right now. I love a little box that has multiple uses. Okay, so I'm going to pop that right down in the middle there. That's not the middle. There we go. We've got the modern updated groovy swoosh. We've got a little box that opens that you can put your things in. How cute. All right, well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your Groovy box. And please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, so we can make more crafty fun in the future. Thanks so much. Have a great day.